Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. The channel where I buy toys and unbox them on video so everybody can share the joy that I get. And to show the figures in case you're interested in purchasing them. As you can see, I got like paint and everything here and a bunch of other stuff. This is actually my hobby room. The other room that I was doing the unboxings is getting remodeled, so I've been away for a bit. I was hoping to get it done, but I got so much stuff accumulating I need to just start opening it. So I decided to use my model channel room to do an unboxing. You can probably already see who this is. This is going to be another Masters of the Universe figure. And I did not have this one growing up. Get the scissors, unboxing scissors out. I'm probably going to fumble through this a little bit because it's been a long time since I've recorded something. One of these videos. I'm not used to doing it. But we have here the Masters of the Universe Origins Blast-Attak. Like I said, I did not have this growing up, so I'm really excited to open this up and see what we got here. Put it up to the camera a little bit so you can see them in the package. And we'll turn it around so you can see that always awesome artwork that they do. And I love these because it's got the, since it's a Creations, it's got the slidable card back. I should probably keep it that way. I'll take that out there and we'll just put this off to the side here so you can enjoy it during the video. Then we'll pull out the mini comic and give you a peek at that. You also have the little paper that shows the pieces parts. But here we go. Paradigm of Power. I'll try to do this without blinding you, getting the reflection on it. Looks like he's blasting apart in between Skeletor and Scareglow are fighting. But here we go. I'll put it up here and kind of tilt it so it doesn't glare if you want to pause it to take a read. The lighting's better in this room. Well, I don't have my studio light beside me. That's packed away in a different room. That's why it's a little bit darker. And, oh, we got Ninjor there too. Not doing very good for you, am I? That's a little bit better. King Hiss as well. And Skeletor side by side. That's kind of neat. But that's the comic. Now this one, I don't know how the original... Let me sit down here. Quit yelling in the camera for you. I was pretty close to it. I got my little sprue cutter here for my model stuff that I work on. We'll free you from your... There we go. But this is the pump that makes him blow apart, I guess. Just spring-loaded there, it looks like. Oh no, it's a push cable thing. I don't know if you see that, but... like that. Like I said, I did not have this character. So, this is all new to me. But I'll go down here out of the way again, and we need to... We got a lot of ties on this guy. Looks like one there. Well, that one just broke on its own. Got that one, and there's his staff. That's cool looking. Very robotic. Perfect weapon for Blast-Attak. And we'll see if I can see good enough. I think it's new glasses time. I usually do this with the scissors, but these sprue cutters are actually pretty darn handy for this. Or is it? There we go. I seem to be struggling. I usually do with these though. It's worse with scissors. And we got arms. There and here. There we go. Now you should be free. This just went around his neck. Nope. There we have it. Blast-Attak. Cool. And we'll get this stuff out of the way here. I'm going to set him right here. Or lay him right there. He tends to want to move forward on me. Get rid of this mess quick. And then I'll put him up to the camera here so you can see him in full detail. Front, we'll do a little turnaround thing we usually do. That's where you plug in the little cable thingy, squeeze thing. Like that. And he can move around like this with his head. And bend at the elbows, I think. Pretty stiff. But new toy, you know. Do that, do all the swivelly stuff that you expect from Origins. This one's, yeah, that one's stiff too. That's good. I'd rather it not be sloppy and loose, I guess. Knee bends. So you have the, yeah, it does rotate there at the knee. A little bit of ankle swivel. Unless I'm just not doing, yeah, I don't think he's got a whole lot. But it's all has the articulation almost. Does he swivel at the waist? No, because he blasts apart there. Well, let's put his weapon up in his hand and that's pretty tight too. Trying to. Left hand better, maybe? So you see how thick it is in there with the hand. There isn't much. I don't know if a person would have to. That one's kind of the same too. Focus. That one's better, but or maybe this way would be better. Yeah, I can't really get it in his hand. Might need to be heated up a little bit. You got big old sausage fingers. It's kind of hard to open up there, but anyways, I guess I could go like that for now. I think he'll hold it good enough. I usually only play with them when I take them out of the box for a little bit, and then they usually sit on a shelf. But there we go. That's pretty cool. Now you know what we need to do. We'll put that off to the side here. And you may be able to heat that with some hot water, maybe, I don't know. But it actually clips in. Oh. He blasts apart pretty easily. Let's see if I can do better. Okay, there we go. So we'll put him down. See if I can hold him and get him a little closer, and you press this button in and he blasts. That is so cool. Oh, I see. It releases once it opens up. That's pretty clever. I like that. See if we can get this guy to stand. And we'll see how he blasts apart and falls. If he can. Alright, here we go. Get the scissors out of the way. Sprue cutters. Ready? Here we go. Oh yeah. That's got some good blast apart action going on. Nice. Well, that is Masters of the Universe Origins Blast-Attak. Pretty cool figure. I'm glad to have him in my collection. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.